Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Canon PIXMA TS8120 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA TS8120 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be from a Canon domain here. This is Canon support for PIXMA TS8120. Go ahead and open that up. Best result should be a support page here for the TS8120. Scroll down underneath downloads and expand the software and driver section. And then scrolling down again, you want to select underneath software and driver results. Just scroll down here and locate the print driver and scan utility installer and select the download button. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher from Canon Inc. You want to go ahead and select yes to install, and then you can close out of the browser. And then select next, select your region, and then accept the end user license terms here. And then you can select what connection method you prefer for your printer, and then just proceed with the remaining on-screen prompts, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.